When was the last time you yawned? Was it while you were watching this video? If so, you might be wondering, why did I yawn? We all do it all the time, but science still doesn't fully understand why we yawn or why they're contagious. As for why we yawn, one idea is that it's all about oxygen. Maybe yawning is our way of getting a big gulp of air, increasing the amount of oxygen in our lungs and therefore our brains. A 2016 study found that people in Japan who were given supplemental oxygen were more likely to yawn. And a separate study found that when people breathe through their stomachs, which increased the amount of carbon dioxide in their blood, they yawned more. But there's another theory that says yawning isn't about taking in more oxygen, it's about getting rid of it. According to this idea, yawning is a way to get rid of excess air in our lungs so that our bodies can get back to their regular temperature. After all, warm air rises and cold air sinks. So by yawning, we could be swapping out warm air in our lungs with cooler air from outside. In support of this idea, one team of researchers found that people in cold rooms yawned more often than those in warmer rooms. Other research suggests that the temperature of the air that we breathe does unaffect how often we yawn. Now, it might seem like we should also consider the possibility that yawning is a way to stretch our muscles, but research suggests that the amount of stretching that happens when we yawn is not enough to make much of a difference. Finally, some scientists think yawning is actually linked to brain activity. They believe that yawning is triggered by neural activity in the pons, an area of the brain that helps regulate sleep and wakefulness. This could explain why we yawn when we're bored or when we're about to fall asleep, as well as why yawning is contagious. If the sight or sound of someone else yawning activates the same part of your brain, you might be more likely to yawn too. In fact, a 2013 study found that when people watched a video of someone yawning, they yawned significantly more often than when they watched a neutral video. Seeing others yawn may trigger the same neural activity in your brain, leading you to do the same. This is the science behind why we yawn. But if you want to learn more about the science behind yawning, check out the references. One big question that remains is, are you more likely to yawn when you're tired or when you're wide awake? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching this episode.